Welcome to the Panama-Silicon Valley STEM Camp, a transformative week where innovation met ambition and the future took flight. Each day began with hands-on learning. Panama's brightest young minds dove into the world of artificial intelligence and drone technology, mastering Python coding, problem solving, and the tools shaping tomorrow's world. Afternoons brought new horizons as we explored Silicon Valley, the heart of global innovation. From tech giants to cutting-edge startups, students saw firsthand what resilience and creativity can achieve. Mentors opened doors to their journeys, offering wisdom, inspiration, and a vision of what's possible. These moments lit the spark for students to dream bigger and work smarter. The camp wasn't just about technology. Team activities, STEM mood boards, and shared experiences created lasting friendships and memories. By week's end, students had designed, coded, and flown their own drones. They didn't just learn, they innovated, collaborated, and grew into tomorrow's changemakers. The Panama SV STEM Camp was the beginning of a journey of empowerment, discovery, and a future with no limits. Empowering the future, one idea at a time. Thank you, Panama SV STEM Camp 2024.